Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So Samsung has finally started rolling out One UI 8.5 stable updates to many Samsung devices. Now even budget A series and M series phones have also started receiving One UI 8.5 stable updates, and already a lot of flagship phones like the Galaxy S23 series, S24 and S25 series have already got the update. Now after updating, many people are just using the phone normally. But guys, Samsung has added insane amount of crazy new features inside Good Lock plugins after One UI 8.5 stable update, and honestly some of these features are so crazy that it doesn't even feel like Samsung added them officially. Now after using these new features, your whole Galaxy phone setup can completely change. So in this video I will show you all the new Good Lock features added after One UI 8.5. And trust me, some of these features are actual game changer. So watch this video till the end because Samsung really went crazy with this update. Alright guys, so first let's talk about one of the best feature Samsung added, custom folder size. And genuinely this feature completely changed the home screen experience. So earlier we only had medium and large folder, but now Samsung finally add a custom option, and this thing is crazy. Now you can fully resize folder however you want. You can make them small, large, long, vertical, horizontal, even pill shape. Literally you can give it any shape, and the best part, you can resize folder live directly from the home screen. And seriously, this makes One UI feel much more modern. Now another crazy thing, you don't even need to fully open the folder anymore. You can simply swipe on the folder and all the apps inside the folder will instantly appear, so opening folder becomes much faster, and honestly this looks super clean. Alright, now let me show you how to enable this feature. So first open Good Lock, then open Home Up, then tap on Home Screen. Now scroll all the way down and here you will see large folder option. Open it. Now Samsung has added this new custom option. Turn it on. Now go back to your home screen and now you can fully resize folder however you want. Actually, this is one of my favorite One UI 8.5 Good Lock feature. Now another very useful feature Samsung added is custom app label colors. So now you can finally change app text colors on home screen. And not only colors, you can also rename apps anything you want like YouTube, Gallery, Play Store, Clock, or literally any apps. Let me show you how you can enable this feature. Open Good Lock, then again open Home Up, then Home Screen. Now open App Icon Settings. And here you will see a new option at bottom, Edit Icon Label on home screen. Turn it on. Now go back to your home screen. Now if you long press any app, now you can rename the app, change the text color and fully customize it. Genuinely, this small feature makes the home screen look much more premium. What do you think guys? Let me know in the comment. Now another feature Samsung improved a lot is widget. And surprisingly, Samsung finally made widgets look much more cleaner after One UI 8.5 update. Now you can adjust widget content size, remove widgets blur, and even make widgets transparent. Now your wallpaper can properly show behind widgets, and seriously this looks very clean for minimal setup. Now let me show you how you can enable this feature. Open Good Lock, then Home Up again, Home Screen, scroll down, you will see an option called Widget Settings. Tap on it. Now here you can remove blur, adjust content size and fully customize the widget. Actually this feature makes the setup look much more modern. Now let's talk about one of the craziest new feature, new 3D Emboss Icons. Samsung added this inside theme park, and genuinely this icons looks amazing. It almost feels like icons are popping out of the screen. Now let me show you how you can enable it. Open Good Lock, then open theme park. Now go to icon, then tap create new. Now Samsung has also redesigned this section a little bit. Now everything looks much more cleaner. Now inside effect you will see a brand new option called Emboss. And from here, you can fully customize the icon effects. You can control shadow, edge, strength, angle, and lots more. So now you can create very unique 3D icon packs, and seriously some setup looks absolutely insane. Now another thing Samsung added is monochrome icons. So if you like a minimal black and white setup, you can now create a monochrome icons very easily. So these are some monochrome icons which I created. As you can see, it looks amazing. If you love minimalistic home screen, then this new monochrome feature is for you guys. Now let's talk about another insane new features in QuickStar Customization. And I genuinely feel this features feels like something from a third-party app, not from Samsung. So now you can fully customize the quick panel, and I mean fully customize. You can now change brightness slider background, volume slider background, quick panel box background, toggles background, and lots more. You can even add your own custom images using as background. Yes guys, you can use your own images. So now your quick panel can look completely unique. You can give it your own style. So now let me show you how you can enable this feature. Open GoodLock, then open QuickStar. Now enable it, then open Edit Panel Style. Now from here you can customize everything. You can add images to brightness slider, volume slider, Wi-Fi toggles, Bluetooth toggles, quick panel box, literally everywhere you can add your own images or custom icons. And seriously guys, it doesn't even feel like a stock Samsung anymore. Now another useful thing Samsung added here is border control. So now you can turn border on or off. Personally, I think border on looks much more cleaner. So now if you go back from here and tap on advanced settings, you will see a new option which is added after One UI 8.5 update, show bar levels. Now if you turn on this feature, now whenever you increase the brightness, it shows exact percentage. Same for volume slider also. Now generally this is a small feature, but in daily uses this is very useful. Now another useful feature Samsung added after One UI 8.5 update is Gallery Assistant. Now you don't have to open GoodLock for the Gallery Assistant. It is integrated with Gallery only. And also it has a separate app as you can see. Now you can resize image, rotate the photos, flip images, compare images, clip images, save as PDF, add watermark, print photos, and you can do lots more. So this makes editing images much more faster rather than opening GoodLock and using this Gallery Assistant. So this is also a new feature added after One UI 8.5 update. I thought why not share with you guys. Now let's talk about LockStar because Samsung added some crazy lock screen feature after One UI 8.5 update in LockStar. So first, obviously this new unlock animations. Now Samsung added slide, expand, wave, paint, glitch, and lots more animations. And the crazy part is every animation has a different customization option like animation speed, direction, noise size, shape, effects, colors, and lots more. So now every time you unlock your phone, it feels much more premium and modern. And seriously, this is one of the best One UI 8.5 good lock features I have ever seen. Now another useful LockStar feature which Samsung added after this update is manual AOD, always on display control, brightness control. So now you can manually control always on display brightness. Earlier it was mostly automatic, but now you can fully control it yourself. You can make it super dim or super bright depending on your users, and generally this helps a lot for battery life, night users, and outdoor visibility. Samsung also added another useful LockStar feature which is custom text. So now you can add your name, email, phone number, emojis, or anything you want directly on the lock screen. Now for gamers, Samsung also updated Game Booster Plus plugin. Now you can better customize controller buttons for games. So if you use gaming controller while gaming, you can fully customize controls however you want. You can create custom buttons, layout for games like PUBG, even for Clash of Clans, etc. Not a huge feature for everyone, but gamers will definitely like this. And seriously guys, after One UI 8.5 update, GoodLock become much more powerful. The amount of customization Samsung is giving now is genuinely insane. Now you can make your Galaxy phone look completely different from normal stock One UI. So now comment below and tell me which new GoodLock feature is your favorite. And if you enjoy the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel. I will meet you in my next video. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye. Take care.